Hello, everyone. My name is Suzad. We're from Create Gram Agency. We help coaches, consultant, expert to build their Instagram funnel and become an authority on their field and impact more people and grow their business overall. So here's a client testimonial, the client results that we have generated for our one of our clients. How David went from $3,000 per month to 15K in just 60 days using when working with us using Instagram funnel and IG shoutout framework. So let's get started. So David was working for a telecommunication company. He is a father of two kids and making good amount of money every single year. And he have launched his coaching program before via seeing a lot of gurus teaching them how to start making money online. So he have sold into it, bought into it, and launched his coaching business. But have a course, and his strategy was completely from Facebook. He was trying Facebook and LinkedIn, but he have no strategy basically. To he was getting like 1 to 2 clients via cold DM, posts, and all of that things that I hope I'm seeing. I think most of you guys are using. So many gurus, but nothing is working for him. He was leveraging mostly LinkedIn and Facebook. But in late 2023, probably in November, basically, I reach out to him and I offer him an advisory call that and at beginning he was skeptical because like he have burned before via purchasing a lot of and working with some of the people in the space, and I give him a money back guarantee that if he haven't get his ROI back, we will refund the money. So he joined, and we have onboarded him, and we started working one-on-one with him. And what I have implemented for him, that so brief background about me, that me and my business partner have started from 2018 and late, I mean, early 2019. So we started building IG theme page and optimize it, and then we launched our coaching program and scale it to 500K worth of sales. Blah, yeah, blah blah blah, and then we help. Then I am a most of a like introverted person, so I don't want to be known that much. So like I want to, so I love to work on the business basically to help grow the business. So what I implemented for him, that I help him to build this nurture system first via extrapolating his niche ideas, basically his content, his story sequences, his DM framework, DM engagement, all of this thing. Then we help him to build his evergreen VSL and plus 7-day email campaign sequence. So we help him to build a let's it's a very simple funnel, basically a lead page, a lead magnet page, email, then a video presentation, some of the testimonials, and then book a call link. That's it. Nothing complicated. And then on the email, we implemented we the 7-day email sequences. Then after we build out the nurture sequence, after we build out the evergreen VSL, we run IG shoutouts for him, and then boom, and gradually and steadily he's seeing he is getting traffic to his profile, and the nurture system we have built out for him helps those cold traffic to become educated about him, to become warmer people, to engage with his content, to know about him more. And and so and with his follow-up sequences and the DM framework strategies, we have booked call for him in steroid. He was booking call, and boom boom, it's just steroid book call. So he was went from zero to first sale with us and 2 second sale with us. Then gradually he reached 15K in just 3 months. Like basically it's a 2.2 month basically. So if you are entrepreneur and if you are neglecting the power of IG shoutouts and IG funnel in 2024, you are missing out an opportunity. You're missing out on an opportunity. So that's it for the video. This is it for one of my clients' results. So if you're a coach, consultant, expert, you want to grow your business and you want to impact more, you want to reach more and be more profitable. It's hyper profitable right now because organic will cost you so much time, so much effort, and paid will cost you so much money. And IG shout out, IG funnel framework, it's it's a hybrid kind of process that you have both, but you have the good side of it. So we help you to build that thing. So if you're seeing this from YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I have a link down below. It's a funnel, and we have shown some of our showcase, some of our things that what we have done for them. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. See you on the next one.